Hey guys, it's a brand new year and I figured what would be the best way to kick off 2020 for my YouTube channel. And then I figured, I just picked up a new pair of Yeezys, so why not kick off the year with a brand new video talking about the brand new Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2s in the Yecheil colorway. So as you've probably already heard, the names for the new Yeezy colorways originate from Hebrew with a little bit of a Yeezy twist to them. In this case, Yechiel means may God live. This brand new Yeezy dropped late last month in December for a retail price about $122, or here in India about INR 21,999, which is way higher, but oh well. First things first, we have to talk about that colorway. It's been pretty controversial and people seem to either love it or hate it. Honestly, I didn't really like them too much when I first saw them pop up online. And then I saw a couple on-feed shots and I figured, these do actually look kind of cool. So when they dropped, I managed to cop a pair and then I got them, took it out of the box and again, I wasn't really feeling them for a bit. There's a lot of people saying a lot of things about this colorway, like how some people think they look kind of like fakes. But I will admit, after wearing them out, I kind of do like them again. So yeah, controversial even to me. So yeah, pretty controversial colorway there. One thing you have to agree on though is that Yeezy 350 colorways have been way too similar lately. So it's actually refreshing to see them end 2019 with a crazy colorway. The shoe isn't really a mashup of previous Yeezy colorways in spite of what people are saying, but it does seem like there's a couple callbacks to previous Yeezy colorways. The Yecheil colorway features the usual prime knit upper, and the prime knit and construction is the same as previous Yeezy 350 V2s. Just that this time around there's a bit of a twist and mix in colors. The base color is this solid black, and then at the tip of the toe you have this neon green that we saw on the Glow 350s. On the medial side, things are much simpler with just a tan and the black woven together. But coming to the lateral side, you'll see the tan and the black knit only on the bottom half. Above that, you'll see the semi-translucent mesh strip that runs across the entire length of the lateral side. That being said, this isn't as translucent as on previous Yeezy 350s, so you can't really change up the aesthetics of the sneakers with different colored socks like the previous recent pairs. Above the stripe, on the top half, you have elements of the blue knit from the Cloud White 350s, together with a brand new maroon color that I haven't really seen on a previous 350 before. But that being said, this is actually the first color that grabs your attention when you look at these sneakers. A lot of people are saying that the maroon is from the SPL font that was used on earlier 350s, so maybe that might be a thing. Moving up the center of the shoe, you have the usual exposed Yeezy stitching. Above that, you have the black rope laces with 3M that weave through the upper. Inside the sneaker, you'll notice the sock liner and insoles also match the medial side and is in a tan color. Of course, the insole has both Adidas and Yeezy branding as well. Moving to the back of the shoe, you'll notice that this time around there's no pull tab, which is kind of a bummer because I actually really like the pull tab on the older 350 V2s. Instead, there's just a solid black bar here. There's also a few more elements of that neon green and blue prime knit around it. The upper rests on a black signature 350 V2 Boost midsole. It's kind of a semi-translucent black rubber with full-length boost cushioning, which adds to how comfortable the 350 V2s are. And finally, at the bottom, you have the black outsole with cut-throughs to the boost. Coming to sizing, the Yecheil 350 V2 fits exactly the same as previous 350 V2s, which means it might be a little snug if you have wide feet like I do. You know, I always recommend trying on shoes in a store if you can, but since these are Yeezys and you might not be able to, I would recommend, just to be safe, go up half a size. Alright, with all of that out of the way, let's take a look at the Yecheil Yeezys on feet. Alright guys, that was a quick look at the Yecheil Yeezy 350 V2s. These dropped in both a reflective and non-reflective colorway. And depending on how you feel about them, they're either the most interesting Yeezys to drop in a while, or they're the least interesting ever. Let me know what you guys think about the Yecheil colorway in the comment section below. I'm actually really interested to know what you guys think about these sneakers. I mean, I know a lot of people are saying the Yeezy is dead, but I was actually a huge fan of the brand, and I really like how this colorway is so different from everything else that they pumped out. And looking at a couple of the upcoming releases, they've gone back to the same kind of colorway again. Alright guys, so that was a quick look at the Yechiel colorway. As always, if you have any questions about these sneakers, let me know right in the comment section below. Or you can let me know right over on Instagram or Twitter at ClintonJeff. And hey, if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button right below or maybe subscribe because that would be appreciated. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.